Okay guys, nag-post na ang Beanie official Beanie top official music video. So, eto na. Wait lang, nakalimutan ko pag-intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my Diary of Tips, kung saan lagi tayo nagka-fangirl sa mga OPM songs, OPM artists, solo artists, Filipino groups, Filipino artists, Filipino talent. So, without further ado, let's watch it. Posted one day ago with 330,000 views. Wow.
T.O.P. top, I'll take you to the top. T.O.P. top, I'll take you to the top. And sometimes slipping away. Di mapakali, parang ang haba ng day. When we're together, lumilinaw ang kulay. Ang saya-saya ng bonding pag ang friends mo ay tunay.
Na-realize ko matagal na lang sinuto kasi red hair pa si Mika.
Feels like I'm living the dream. It's time to let go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Buckle up, I'll take you to the top. Abutin ang lahat ng pangarap.
Baby girl! Stacy! So cute!
Round and round, I'll take you to the top. Basta kasama kayo. Tayo hanggang dulo. I'll take you to the top.
God!
T.O.P. top, I'll take you to the top.
My God, Aya!
Let's go! Sige na, sama-sama tayong tatakbo. Got your back, mapa-rain or shine. Huwag ka
Oh my God! Ang cute ng outfits nila lahat.
mag-alala, we'll be just fine. Sabay-sabay, walang mauuna. Basta weekend, mag-ice cream ka na muna. What's up?
Of course, sponsored by.
Kung makarating tayo, tip to top tayo hanggang dulo. Feels like I'm living the dream. It's time to let go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Buckle up, I'll take you to the top. Tara na,
Ang cute! Ang cute color blue! That's my favorite color.
lahat ng pangarap ko. Round and round, I'll take you
Oh my God, Aya, the face card!
to the top. Basta kasama kayo. Tayo hanggang dulo.
Oo nga. Ang galing ah. Smart. Smart yung ano doon ah. Advertising doon.
I'll take you to the top. T.O.P. top. I'll take you to the top. I'll take you to the top. T.O.P. top.
Oh my God! May bias wrecker. Hindi. Sino bang bias wrecker? Si Mika na ata ang bias wrecker ko.
To the top. I'll take you to the top. Abutin ang lahat ng pangarap. Just let go, bitaw na. I'll take you to the top.
Cute!
Tayo hanggang dulo. I'll take you to the top. T.O.P. top. I'll take you to the top. T.O.P. top.
Grabe yung face card ni Joanna. She's giving me Amihan vibes and Cantaja. Ganon.
I'll take you to the top. T.O.P. top. I'll take you to the
Ah!
top.
Oh my God.
T.O.P. top. Let's take it to the top. T.O.P. top. Let's take it to so much love on top.
Oh my God! Kung hindi nyo pa napapakinggan and napapanood, go ahead. Watch it now. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng i-promote or, hindi ko naman na kailangan atang ipakilala ang Beanie sa inyo. I feel like kilala nyo naman na yung Beanie. Pero, kung hindi nyo ba sila kilala, go ahead and follow their Instagram, YouTube, Facebook account, and their TikTok account. Kasi, ang cute-cute nila, as in. Tapos, every individual is iba yung character nila. Iba yung sa hairstyle pa lang, hello, makikita nyo na agad. Mas lalo na pag nakilala nyo sila, yung individual personality din nila. Feeling ko may makakaswak kayo na kaugali ninyo. Every member of the group, meron silang sarili nilang character, ganon. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, welcome to my diary and I hope to see you guys more around here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below kung sino favorite artist mo. Bye!